Hello, and thank you once again for joining me here. So, this week, my first granddaughter turned 3. And instead of having a grand birthday party, we decided to just gather together as a family and have a meal together. My task was to make my simple potato salad and to also bring some fried chicken and other nibbles to our meal. And here I'm adding some baking soda to the water. I'm going to boil the eggs in for the salad, and it helps to remove the eggshells more easily once the eggs are boiled. And I often cook the way my grandmother used to without a recipe. So what I'll do is try to put one together and again place the recipe on my website on the homepage, as well as my Pinterest board called Everyday Recipes. And saving the eggshells for fertilizer for my indoor plants this winter. And my family's pretty small, so I'm making enough potato salad for to feed about, I would say, 5 to 6 people. But it can be. You can add more potatoes and other ingredients for a larger crowd. And as I'm making this salad, I'm thinking in just a few days it's going to be September already. And here in Colorado, we are already experiencing a drop in temperature. It went from about 95 degrees to about 70 degrees within one night. and a little smoked bourbon paprika. And Japanese parsley from my garden. And that's it. It's all done. I was speaking to my dear friend who lives in Tennessee. I should say my dear supportive friend who lives in Tennessee. And she was commenting about the Palisade peaches I featured in a couple of my previous videos, how much she likes them. And so I decided before they go away to just package a few and send them to her as well. So that's what I'm doing in this segment. And when packaging any form of fruit, like stone fruits, it's good to wrap them in a bit of paper towels, and that helps to absorb any form of condensation that may form while in the shipping process. The altitude in Colorado makes it sometimes quite challenging to bake anything, and so. And the last time I was at home, my most recent visit at my home country in Belize, I asked my aunt to show me how she makes fried jack. Now, fried jacks are sort of like beignets that you would find in New Orleans. It's probably the recipe is probably the same. The only thing is it doesn't have yeast in the dough. Cut in these triangle slices, and we cover and let them rise again. And then it's time to fry them. This is a staple bread in breakfast bread in Belize, and we often eat them with a fried egg and refried beans. But you can also enjoy them with a bit of powdered sugar too. Happiest of Labor Day to you and your family. Have a most beautiful week, and I'll see you soon.